How to add a Mailchimp sign-up and pop-up form into WordPress. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can add a sign-up or a pop-up form into WordPress using Mailchimp.com. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. First of all, you must integrate your Mailchimp account with your WordPress account. So here in the left menu, you must scroll down until you'll find integrations. And this is going to be open. So by now I'm just going to type the word to get into WordPress and to get started. Okay, so in that way you're going to link your WordPress website with your Mailchimp. By now I don't have a WordPress website, but I assure you that once you have linked your WordPress, you're going to be able to show there your pop-up or sign up form into your website. Once you have done this integration, you must go here into audience, and there you're going to find sign up forms. So here you're going to be able to create form builder, embedded form, subscriber pop-up, contact form, or form integrations. So by now I'm going to begin with subscriber pop-up. So I'm going to select this, and this is the addition of my form. So here I can create new spaces. By now I'm just asking this person for their email, but I can add the first, last name, address for number, birthday, or even to create a new field and edit something else. I can set an image here to make it more attractive. And also with this button of subscribe, I got the option to change the position of the button and also to change the colors if I want it. That's how you can do it. The text color, if you wanted to change it to. You can add a disclaimer or not if you want it. And there you have some other options in the left panel, like the style, the fonts, the color. You can change the layout if you want it. So let's suppose I want this. So now the image is going to be in the right. And some other settings like the overlay opacity, and when it's this gonna be displayed. So let's suppose people is gonna be in your website and you want that then if they scroll to the middle of the page, or perhaps they want to exit from your page, so this is gonna be available when this happens. Okay, this is really important. And also the position that this is gonna appear. So I recommend you model so this is gonna be like more attractive. Now the success message: thanks for subscribing in case the people fill all the data you're asking for. And just remember that you must to finish this not just in save and publish, but to connect site, and there's where you must enter your website URL. Also you need to add some code in the head of your website to get it connected. Okay, here you can check some more information, but you just have to enter your website URL and accept the terms and conditions. Probably because you made the integration with WordPress, there's going to be your website just available to enable this pop-up form. Save and publish, and that's it. That's how you can do it. I'm going back because I want to show you and remember you that you can create some other forms in case you need it. And that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.